2025 is almost here. But the question is, are you ready to step into 2025 with the habits that will lead you to where you are, to where you want to be? What's up? I'm Nyanda and I'll be sharing 7 habits that you should build right now to make sure you crush it in 2025. So grab a coffee, grab your planner, and let's level up together. Alright, the first habit is morning routine. Now I know some of you are like, oh, morning routine, that's so overrated. But trust me, having a solid morning routine can set a tone for your day. Like just imagine waking up with a purpose and not being stumbled over tiredness and confusion. Honestly, it doesn't matter if it's 5 a.m. or 10 a.m., you just have to have a morning routine that centers you. So start by small actions like making your bed, drinking a cup of water when you wake up, or reading for 10 minutes, or even writing top 3 priorities of your day. These small actions actually trick your brain into thinking that okay, I can take on the rest of the day. But remember, the key here is consistency. Setting a positive tone in the morning can actually help you be more productive and feel energized throughout the day. Next up, we have time blocking, and trust me, this is a total game changer. If you're someone like me, then you probably scroll through Instagram and social media all day long. And honestly, we all have dreams and goals to achieve, but because we aren't able to manage our time, we are hardly able to achieve them. Here is when time blocking comes in handy and it provides a total blueprint for your day. It's basically dividing your time into small chunks like 9 to 12 pm for studying and 12 to 1 for emails and so on. Time blocking is nothing but dividing your day into small chunks of time where each block focuses on a single task. Now, because of this, there are no distractions, no switching up between millions of tasks, and this allows you to stay focused on a single thing instead of wasting time on things that doesn't matter. Let's talk about consistent learning. Most of us are actually caught up in the hustle of school, work and life, but the truth is, if you're not learning something new, you're actually falling behind. I know you might be thinking, oh, I already know enough. But the truth is, learning never stops. And I don't mean you have to go back to school or something, but at least you can set 30 minutes aside to read a book or maybe watch a podcast or even enroll in a course. And you know what? Even learning a little bit every day counts up. And trust me, you will be surprised at the end of the year to see how much you've grown by just making learning your daily habit. Hi, if you're still watching it so far, make sure you subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell so that you don't miss an update whenever I post a new video. Now the next one is so important, it's digital detox. Guys, I get it, it's glued to our phone 24/7. But it's actually draining our productivity and our mental health. Set boundaries for yourself, like not taking your phone for the first hour when you wake up or after 8 pm. Turn off those notifications, like come on, you don't need them. Designating time for yourself when you're completely offline is really necessary. It helps you reset and reconnect with your life. Digital detox does not mean being an anti-tech, it's about finding balance in your life. You'll be shocked at how much more productive and present you feel at the moment if you're not on your phone. And trust me, your brain will thank you for it. Next habit is taking care of yourself. You can't achieve your goals if you're not feeling your best physically and mentally. Both are equally important. Now, you don't have to be a gym rat or eat some crazy ass diet to be healthy. Just start small, like moving your body, drinking a plenty of water, or even getting a solid 7 to 8 hours of sleep. After all, your health is the foundation of everything. And remember, it's not about looking perfect, it's about feeling your best. Let's talk about networking. Surrounding yourself with the people who inspire you and building connections, even if you're just starting off, can actually open up numerous opportunities for you. If it's your school, work, or even social media, just take out time to reach out to new people and start meaningful conversations. Because this is the right time to build a good social network. Because you never know who you meet and what you learn. And lastly, this is the habit most of the people forget about, that is weekly reflection. Before rushing into the next week, take a moment to look back. What went well, what could have been better, or what do you need to change moving forward? Take out at least 20 to 30 minutes a week to reflect on your progress, because firstly, it will help you stay on track. Secondly, it will help you learn from your mistakes. And lastly, it will help you align your goals with your progress and help you constantly improve. That's it, guys. These are the 7 habits you should build right now to make sure you're all set for 2025. And what habit are you most excited to try? Let me know in the comment section. I'd love to hear what you're working on. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to subscribe, like the video, and press the notification bell so you don't miss a future upload. Thank you for watching, and let's make this year a better one.